Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today I have this Toyota Yaris 1.5. It's 2021. I will show you how to replace the battery. Yeah, this is the key. Okay, the blade open like that. Okay, you see, if you hold like that, put your thumb here. Yeah, you press it down. You just press it down like that. It open up. See that? See, when it open up, and then there's a rubber cover here. Remove the rubber cover here, and then use the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. See, just like that. It's very simple. Yeah, the battery is a CR2032 battery. CR2032 battery. Okay. To put it back on, yeah, slide in this way first. Yeah, you go in like that, press it down, and then put the rubber cover on, and then the cover back on. This side need to go in first. Okay, and then just press it down. See, it's all done. Okay, this is Toyota Yaris 2021 generation 2020 is the latest model of the Yaris hybrid. Thank you for watching. Thank you.